Hi, my name is Matt Hauersberger with Beauflor. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Pure collection. Pure is arguably one of the easiest locking systems in the industry to put these planks and tiles together. One of the most difficult things to put together in our industry are 12 by 24 tiles. I'd like to demonstrate for you how easy our 12 by 24 tiles go together with our system called Dream Click. It's our 360-degree locking system. Done. As you can also see, you can put our wood planks together as well with our tile looks and combine any type of unique combination of patterns or designs.
Pure is the freedom to create floors that are as unique as you are. The Pure collection has been refreshed with an expanding offering of 24 designs in wood and tile looks. 16 new designs are paired alongside 8 existing designs to create a selection of trendy and versatile looks that can blend seamlessly with any interior design style. Pure is a quieter floor. You want a floor that can absorb the sounds you make. Our Pure collection has superior sound absorption qualities that make it up to 50% quieter when compared to other flooring options on the market. This means you don't have to tiptoe to avoid disturbing the people around you. An added bonus is that this cushioned top layer also provides warmth and comfort underfoot.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to this Pure presentation. For more information about this product, please contact your local distributor representative or contact your local Beauflor territory manager.